Good evening, welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the three stocks with interesting chart setups for short-term, medium-term, and long-term portfolios. Has generated a returns of 20 to 60% returns over a period of 6 months, which is excellent returns for traders, investors, and also for our subscribers. Hope our updates is helping the investors and traders in taking their investment decisions and trading decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. And also do subscribe our channel if you are watching the channel for the first time, and hit the like button and comment, and do share your comments in the comment section. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.